Pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like.
Okay, hey y'all. So today I'm gonna make a video on just touching up knotless braids. Y'all, it do look rough. I'm not gonna lie. She looks a little rough, but that's okay because you just need a couple of things. You just need a blow dryer, some foam. I use this kind. I think it works pretty good. I use this for my hair. And then to wrap it all up, I got some of this. So first what you're gonna do is just take all your hair out. I got curly ends. Take all your hair out. And then start with this spray. It says sheen spray, but it says moisturizes, conditions, and softens and soothes itching. Do it itch? No, but I don't know. We're gonna give our hair some love. So just spray. When I have braids, I like to spray better because it's easier. Heck, I don't want to go hard. Now, full disclosure, like this is just what I do. This is just what I do. If you want to try and get it in and like shoot it on your scalp directly, just for the fact that this is the part that you really need your scalp. So making sure your hair is not toe up. And like, don't forget to get the edges, don't forget to get the freaking back, don't forget to get not this. Let it have if you got 2 seconds parted. Do what you gotta do. But as long as it's done, like as long as it's done. And then just rub it into your part. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Just like that. You just rub it in, literally. Just like that, right into your parts. Literally. Just like that. Okay. Oh my gosh. And so after that, you're gonna take this. You're gonna take this, and you know with foam, you gotta shake it up. So shake it up. Get a good amount of it, y'all. You don't really need too much. I see a lot of people in the videos, they put a lot of foam on here, but you don't need too much. You just need enough to cover where it's looking rough. And for me, it's the top, sweetheart. That's where it's at. So I'm just gonna put foam everywhere. I'm not putting no foam on my edges. I don't know nothing about that, okay? Okay, so then put some foam, and you just take the foam and you just lay it down. Like just lay it down to however you want it to lay. Right now, this is how I want mine to lay. But I might want it to lay a little side part. Maybe. Ooh, child. Anyway, lay it however you want it to be. Okay, no, the side part is eating down. So I'm not gonna put any more foam because that's the thing about doing it good the first time. You don't have to do it a second time. You could just and pray. Okay, lid back on. And then to seal literally everything that you have going on up here, you just got this got to be. This is the sealer. Everything that you just did to your hair, this is the sealer. Oh God. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I did spray it right in my face. Just like that, actually. Anyway, you just want to seal everything in with that. And then this is kind of, ooh, child. Okay, it do look a little different. Give me a chance, because like if you back up, fine. Honestly, nobody should really be in your business like that anyway. But you're gonna get your scarf or whatever you got. I tie my scarf up like the triangle way, like this. Shout out to my aunt Dreamo. She taught me how to do that. And then you're just gonna take it. I prefer to do it underneath. That's my preference. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but just whatever way works best for you. And you just tie it a little knot, not too tight because you don't want your hair hurt. Anyway, I have this extra blow dryer, and you're just gonna turn it onto high. It don't even have no things on it, y'all, but turn it onto high. just like that. I'm not speeding nothing up. That's real life time, y'all. This video is going straight. I'm not pausing nothing. This is how it's gonna be. Like, I don't have nothing else to say to that. Anyway, so you just do it like that. Now normally I would just leave the scarf on after I'm done with the freaking blow dryer, because I would like that extra, just, you know, just back up. And so then you're just gonna take your scarf down and boom, just like that. Oh my gosh, that's all. That's it. That's all, sweetheart. That's it, and that's all. And then to wrap up your look, I don't know, I just feel like edges really set off a look. Now I don't know what everybody else is doing to keep their edges laid, but child, this is what I use. It don't be working, but I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I used to do this back in the day, but I stopped. I don't know why, because now my edges never stay on. As you can see, I use basically all of this, but we're gonna give it a try, because I'm pretty sure that's how I used to get my edges to stay, because my edges used to didn't go nowhere. Okay, but anyway, yeah, it just gives you like a nice, like a nicer look. It's not as crazy. And then, you know, you going with the got to be. If you talk about my freaking edge brush looking bad, you're gonna tell black, because why would you say that, you know? But, and then I just go and double do it. Y'all could say, oh, get caked up a whole lot. Sorry, y'all, I gotta look in the mirror because something ain't looking right in real life. Something ain't looking right on camera either. Anyway, yeah, you just do a little something like that, a little swoop. These little like freestyling hairs you got, child, just swoop them in there, honestly. Yeah, something like that, something like that. Anyway, so do the same thing. I still got a little bit left over from the other one. You just do this one, and then you just do it down. Now how you do your edges, like, that's up to y'all. This is not an edge tutorial. This was just, you know, a little rundown, like a quick, easy little like refresh for your braids. Like, I see a lot of people, you know, sometimes they tell you to twist it, or like do the crochet hook and all. Y'all, I tried that. It makes, like, when you take your hair out, it makes it harder, because I just don't think so. Anyway, yeah, you take your edges. Y'all, I'm gonna have to start using this way, because first of all, there's a lot going on with these. That's how they gonna have to be though. Anyway, yeah, and you know what, we just gonna just slick the rest of whatever's going on like that. Nobody's even gonna be close to me, and y'all probably worried about like real life. Well, if you slick it good enough, ain't nothing. Excuse that alarm, y'all. Anyway, it's looking a little like skinny in this corner, but it's gonna have to be good enough. It's good enough for me. Why didn't y'all tell me it was doing that? Why didn't y'all tell me? Anyway, I gotta rinse my hands. I do not like none of this other stuff on there. Anyway, while I wash my hands, y'all can take a good look at what's going on at the top of my head. Don't look too hard now. That was the water, so never ever say I diarrhea on camera. Anyway, yeah, so this is it. If you want your hair to look just not as like frizzy, I mean, it still looks a little frizzy, duh. Obviously, oh my gosh, obviously, like, leave your scarf on a little bit longer than what I did, but that's really what you have to do, y'all. I know y'all don't be keeping the hairstyles in for long. That's not me. So if you want to make your hair or your braids look a little bit fresher, that's what I gotta do. Literally, depending on how fast your hair grows, depending on how often you're gonna do it before you change your hairstyle.